Friends, welcome to Tech Solutions. Today we will see about the airline status codes. So whoever is in the Amadeus and Galileo, Sabre, the airline systems and the travel agents, so they have to know the all about these codes. So that details we will see some codes in this video. Friends, if you are visiting first time this channel, please subscribe to channel so that all the updates, this kind of information updates, you will get the notification in your mobile. So and also please like this video. Let us go to our topic today. See here friends, this link also will be given to this video description so that you can check these details clearly if you want. So see here some of the codes I will give you the information examples. So here HK means this code will reflect on the Amadeus system. Once you sold the seat, the status code will change into the HK after you say once you sold the ticket, after say give the reference, after creating the names and the ticketing arrangement, everything is status code will be finally it will change into the HK. So HL means holds wait list. HN means holds need to confirm. So HS, once you sold the seat in Amadeus, immediately this status it will show you in the HS. Segment status it will show you in the HS code. So HX, the Amadeus system, sometimes it will show you as HX. Suppose you made a booking, confirmed booking. Sometimes airlines will give you the wait to book the ticket, to issue the ticket. So that time you are not able to book the ticket before the time limit which has been provided by the airline. So then that time airlines will cancel the booking. After cancel the booking, your system will show you Amadeus the whichever is holding a booking, that just retrieve that PNR and check the status. The HX means airlines cancelled by the PNR. Confirm booking has been cancelled. So that you need to remove them immediately. So ignore. IG means ignore. Usual man who are using Amadeus IG will ignoring command. So involuntary upgrade also will call. So KK, see here, KK means carrier confirmed. Carrier confirmed. That means Amadeus system will, suppose for example you sold that seat. Sometimes it will system will show you immediately taken to the KK. That means you need to accept to the confirmed seat, carrier confirmed. They need to change the status into HK. KK also confirmed only, but you need to change the status by giving the reference. Example I am showing here, just see system response. See here HK3, you will be able to see here HK3. Whatever I told you, HK, that means holds confirmed. You can see, and the other thing is you can able to see here TK. I told you TK, and able to see is TL. That means ticketing arrangements. So time limit will show you here. After that you can able to see here some KK. KK means I told you KK1 HK. KK means that is need to confirm. That means you need to change that is the KK also confirmed one. You need to change the status by giving the reference. Also you can give the ERK, give the reference and accept with ERK and give the reference. So this is the example. System response will give you like this, all the type of codes in the once you sold the seats, after created the booking, after created the PNR, all the codes will display like this only. So I think you have now you are getting the clearly about this. Next, KL. So Amadeus system sometimes will show you KL. That means waitlist is confirmed. So sometimes if you are making a waitlist booking, airlines will give you the confirmation for that booking sometimes. So system will show you as a KL. KL means your seat, your ticket is confirmed. So you need to change the status. So this kind of codes is displaying here. Please check this link and go through all this. You will get more knowledge about these codes. Very interesting, and this is very important codes, friends. If you know these codes, you will be able to easily recognize these codes in your system Amadeus while using the Amadeus and Gal, Sabre. So who are using these systems, they have to know about these codes. So here TK means schedule change. Amadeus sometimes it will show you TK, schedule change. Later you have to change the status into the by giving the reference. So UC unable to confirm, that means Amadeus, this code also will show in the Amadeus. UN, this also will show in the Amadeus. So UU also show in the Amadeus. WL, waitlist, that means waitlist ticket. You have made a waitlist booking. XI, that means cancel itinerary. XI means cancel itinerary. This code also will show you, reflect on the Amadeus. XX, cancel segment. So this kind of codes you need to know particularly, then only you will be able to easily understand, usually use the systems. So these sometimes these codes and all will reflect particularly after sold the seat, after created the PNR. If you see the ticket image, if you after issued the boarding pass, after check the boarding pass status. So these codes and all will reflect on that, particularly about those. And also all the CRS who are using GDS CRS, so the codes and all will reflect in their system according to their modifications. So please friends, go through this all the informations and get the knowledge about this. And whoever using Amadeus, Gal, Sabre and the other CRS has to get the knowledge about this. Then only you will be able to easily understand, and you can guide to your customers, and you can able to easily use the systems mainly. So this is the updated information, friends. I think you have understood these points, and thank you for watching video. Please subscribe to channel. Thank you.